What's up, guild members? Welcome back to Solar Weeb for episode 32 of Weekly Anime News. The final days of May and the first days of June brought us a wave of new trailers, casting announcements, and a legendary OVA returning to theaters. Let's dive into the headlines. Kicking off on May 30th, the One Piece anime released a new video featuring the Knights of God. Fans are already dissecting every frame for lore hints. Saori Onishi joins the voice cast for Magical Explorer TV anime coming fall 2026, a great addition to an already promising cast. Iwamoto Senpai no Suisen revealed its main theme songs and two new cast members. The anime premieres the 4th of July 2026, and Kaiju number 8, short anime Narumi's Week at Work dropped a new main visual. It's scheduled for fall 2026. More kaiju action in bite-sized form. May 31st was packed with nostalgic and new announcements. The new Fairy Princess Minky Momo OVA will begin theatrical screening in Japan on the 13th of November 2026. A classic returns to the big screen. Grow Up Show, Sunflower Circus, original TV anime from A1 Pictures and Sidekick Studio released new character trailers. It's scheduled for July 2026. G-Kids brings the 4K remaster of TechCon King Crete to North American theaters on May 31 and the 1st of June 2026. Don't miss it if you are in the US. Even though I'm a super timid noble woman, I accepted a bet from my cunning fiancé, dropped a new trailer for its October 2026 premiere from Studio Jumondo. That title is a mouthful, but the premise looks fun. And Grotsuke, an original anime anthology from Cloverworks, revealed its voice cast, including Chika Anzai and Kana Ichinos. This one looks stylish and dark. Skipping ahead to June 4th, we got several major updates. The Irregular at Magic High School Part 2 anime has been officially announced. Tatsuya and Miyuki are coming back for more. Kamui, He's Behind You, the erotic horror comedy, released a main trailer and second key visual. It premieres the 3rd of July 2026. The Cat and the Dragon dropped a new trailer for its the 4th of July 2026 premiere from Studio OLM. Looks wholesome and heartwarming. And Bakidu, the Invincible Samurai, Part 2 released a new trailer. It hits Netflix on the 18th of June 2026. Get ready for more brutal martial arts action. Finally, June 5th delivered the week's closing announcements. Heavily Armed High School Girls TV anime adaptation has been announced for 2027, complete with a new trailer. Exactly what it sounds like, and it looks wild. The World is Dancing released a new character visual and main trailer with an insert song preview. It premieres the 2nd of July 2026 from Studio Psypic. The Magic Knight Ray Earth remake revealed new cast members, Saori Hayami as Emerald, Yuki Ono as Zagato, and Mika Kikuchi as Mokona. That's an absolutely stacked lineup. And finally, Steel Ball Run JoJo's Bizarre Adventure second stage will have a special panel at Anime Expo 2026 featuring composer Yugo Kanno and English voice actors Daman Mills as Johnny Joestar and Kaiji Tung as Jiro Zeppeli. Attendees, do not miss this. And that, guild members, was a fantastic week to close out May and kick off June. From One Piece lore drops and Minky Momo's return to Magic Knight Ray Earth star-studded cast and Steel Ball Run at Anime Expo, there's so much to look forward to. What's your top takeaway? Are you hyped for the Irregular at Magic High School Part 2, the Magic Knight Ray Earth remake, or the Steel Ball Run panel? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay on top of every announcement as it breaks, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your passion burning bright. This is Solar Weeb, signing off.